Hi, my name is Terry. I've lost 170 pounds with keto, Ketovore, and Carnivore. Welcome to my channel. Hey there, before I prep my supper, I'm kind of filling up my little containers here. Listen to me, and I want you to listen to me close. I don't care what person you are watching. I don't care if you're watching me. I don't care if you're watching some famous doctor. I don't care who you are watching. Each one of us is different. Just because one person needs 10 pounds of meat in their day does not mean that you necessarily need 10 pounds of meat in your day. I don't care if I get a code for Relight electrolytes. I don't care if I get a code for anything. There is not one thing that every person you see online, on YouTube, there's not one item that a person has to have in their life. Like I said, I don't care if I ever get a code for something. Just because I have a code and I'm saying, hey, this is pretty good, doesn't mean you should go out and necessarily buy it. We are all on our own journey, and I may have fewer calories or more calories. Who knows what I have that may be same or different from you, but please, please, please always know that just because somebody buys something that you're watching online and somebody uses something does not mean that you necessarily have to have that same thing, okay? Like I said, I'm like electrolytes. I use electrolytes, but I went 2 years without them, and I did just fine. But I like them. I like the way they taste. I like how I feel. So just because I have them does not mean you have to use them. So please, please, please know that you are your own experiment on this journey. And even like when I first started, I wanted somebody to tell me exactly how much to eat, exactly how to cook it, exactly what I should be doing, how much of this, how much of that. And I look back now and I'm so thankful that I did not go pay for some meal prep or meal plan, somebody else to do the work for me, because now that I've been the one doing it, I have learned myself, okay, Terry, you like this feels good with this, you can try this. So don't feel like you have to, just because you see somebody do it online does not mean that you need to do it. Like y'all saw in some of my other videos, I made my own electrolytes just to see if I could save some money. But you don't need to make them if it's something that you don't feel like you need. And if you try it and you do want to use it, then great. But if you don't, then by all means do not. Because I know when I first started, I was watching all these famous, fancy people. I'm like, whoa, if they're saying I need it, then I better get it. But that's not the case. So please remember that. Just because you see somebody online doing something doesn't mean you need to go out and spend your money on it. That's my 2 cents. Now that my lecture is over, hi, happy Thursday night. Let's get supper ready. I found 2 things that I've not tasted yet. This is G. Hughes Parm Peppercorn Marinade. Now, it's been sitting up in my cabinet unopened, and it may taste horrible. But we're going to find out. First, I got to figure out how to open the darn thing. I don't see like those lines that you usually see. So I'm going to open up this one, and this one is sweet honey flavored wing sauce. We're going to taste both of these. So give me a second to get these open, and I'll be back. All right, so got it open here. This is the wing sauce. Let's see what this tastes like. It's just sitting up in my counter, just behaving. That's what it looks like. Ooh, that's a good flavor. It's kind of like a thin barbecue sauce. And let's see what this Parmesan, I'm assuming that's Parmesan, Parm peppercorn. Let me put the lid on and shake her up. See what flavor that has. Oh, that's good. So this is what we're going to do for tomorrow. I got my rutabaga mash. I'm going to take this to work. And this is 80-20 ground beef. So we're going to put a little of this and a little of this on there. I got to find my scale. I got such a mess over here, man. If I aim that camera just a little more to the left, I ain't gonna. But whoo, Nelly, it's rough over there. I bought some of these like little chapstick dealies, and then I bought this thing holds them, and so you're supposed to pour the stuff into them, and then it goes down in those holes. And I was gonna play with it, but I haven't had time yet, so that'll be one of them weekend things, on the weekend thing. Okay, so Parm, oh wait, I wanna season it up. I'm gonna put some everything bagel. I'm gonna put a little bit garlic. This is the dehydrated garlic. I'm gonna put some Greek seasoning, because everything goes good with Greek seasoning. And nope, Terry, leave it alone. All right. So 1 serving of this one is 15 grams. So let's see what we think tomorrow. And get her open. Okay. And then 1 serving of the Parmesan or Parm peppercorn. I don't know if that stands for Parmesan. Yep, Parmesan cheese. Okay, 1 serving is 15 grams. So let's go it again. All right. So there we go. Sorry, Mom, I just licked the jar. I'm sorry, I'll try to do better. So I'll take my 80-20. This is still a little bit frozen, but it'll defrost as it sits out at work tomorrow in his container. So I've got my 80-20 and my rutabaga smash, and then an egg muffin. I'm going to be making some more egg muffins this weekend. I don't need to do any meat or veg meal prep, so I'm going to do on Saturday. I'll make some of these. And I might try going to the thrift store again, because I think oh dang, I forgot my coffee. I thought I grabbed it. Oh, it's over there. Hang on. Okay, yeah, I might be going to the thrift store this weekend, because I think that my dress pants, everybody keeps telling me that they're baggy. So I think I'm going to try a size 10 in dress pants and some of the different dress pants and see what I find, because everybody keeps not picking on me. They don't say mean things. They're just like, girl, them pants are too big. Well, they're size 12. My size 12 jeans fit really good. So I'm not going to mess with those, but I'm going to look at some dress pants this weekend. So we will see. So I won't be confined to the kitchen this weekend. So, all right, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. And I'm almost done uploading the video from today, which you'll see tomorrow. Okay, bye. Good morning. I'm finishing my protein coffee and my egg muffin. I got a meeting at 8:30. No, 9. I have a meeting at 9. So it's 7:30 and I want to get this done before my meeting. So, okay, bye. I'm just sitting here eating and totally forgot to show y'all.
That's my my rutabaga and ground beef mash that I'm eating for lunch. And then this ground beef and sauce that you saw in the video in the beginning. That's what I'm having for lunch. And now I'll tell you a secret. Let me answer this call, then I'll tell you. Okay, it's not keto related, but I had a meeting with my boss across town. And on the way back, I stopped at Dairy Queen and I picked up their ice cream cake. One of my nurses, every day about 2 or 3 o'clock, she always tells me, I want ice cream, I want ice cream. And so I'm like, what do you want me to do? Spend $5 to order from one of the delivery places just for a $2 container of ice cream? Yes, well, I never have. So today, like I said, I'm not eating any. Well, I might have one bite. I don't know. We'll see. But I went to Dairy Queen and I ordered, I got a cake, one of those small ones, you know, and they cut it into just enough pieces. There's 13 on our team. So without me, they just need 12 pieces. 12 pieces. So it's perfect. So each of the staff member, and I, like I said, if anything, I may take a bite off somebody else's, but other than that, there's enough so each person on the team can have a piece. So I'm going to surprise them. I called an impromptu meeting, and now they're all worried about it and wondering what it's about, and that's what it's about. A Dairy Queen ice cream. Shh. Okay, bye. Ice cream cake. It's one of those ice cream cakes. Okay. Okay, update. We had the ice cream. They got it, and they liked it. Every day at 3 o'clock, they were like, I really wish I had ice cream, so that's why I got it. I probably had about that much, because, you know, they're cut to a point. And so I had about this much, that much of a piece that was cut to a point. So probably the equivalent of about 3 to 4 bites. And, yep, so I don't know how to even log that, but I'm just keep on going with my day. All right, bye.
Hey there. So I'm going to heat up my skillet and we're going to, I don't know what we're going to make, so just hang on. We'll figure it out together. I sprayed a little duck fat in there and I'm going to use some of the pepper and onion blend, the Great Value. I don't want a whole bunch, just a little bit. And that's the spray that I used. I'm going to let this go a little bit till it defrosts, and then I'll add my other vegetables to it. Okay, let's see. This is the Normandy blend veggies. I'm going to put that in here. All right, now I'm going to saute the onions and peppers in the Normandy blend. Let that all kind of saute together and caramelize a little bit. And I will get back to you when that's done. Wait, I'm going to put a little seasoning on it. Let's put some, I love the color of paprika and a little smoky flavor. So we'll put some paprika on there. Let's put some dehydrated garlic. Let's put some adobo in there. And then some Greek seasoning. Alright. Now, I'll get back to you when that all kind of sautés up. This is one of my favorite songs. Singing hallelujah, hallelujah. I'm seeing if I can tell the difference between Jihu's stir fry and Jihu's teriyaki. So don't you give up on me. This might be a little sweeter. It's got more of a twang. My soul, don't you get shy on me. Lift up your song. Get up and praise the Lord. I don't have a good singing voice when it's high like that. But okay, back to the food. Alexa, volume down 3. Still my favorite song. I can't think of the name of it. But it's my fave. At least right now it's my fave. Okay. I have a low voice, so in school, in high school, I always sang tenor with the boys and in choir. And back then, you know, there was no mixing and matching, and so whenever it was time like to go to contest and stuff, I couldn't go with the boys in the tenor groups because I was a girl. And back then they didn't, you know, they just didn't have the things they have now. So we would always try, and we were like, can we just strap something on my boobs to make them stay so that people could think I'm a boy? But the answer was no. But yeah, so I always sang tenor in high school. So this song gets a little bit too high pitched for me. But I like it just the same, and when you all aren't on, I am just happily singing, even if it isn't as high pitched as it's supposed to be. All right, so we're gonna do a mix. So I'm gonna do 15 grams of the G. Hughes teriyaki. So we're gonna zero it out. Then we'll do 15 grams of the G. Hughes stir fry. And then we're going to do the sweet chili. I really like that flavor. It's sweet and yet sour and bitter all at the same time. So a serving of that. This one's 30 grams. Okay. And for the record, no, none of that was accurate. Unless you set something down on the scale and pour it in that way, it's not accurate. I knew I was going to use that sweet and spicy one, so that's why I did not add any of the Danos, because yesterday I did, and boy, my nose was just a running. But those nachos, those were really fun. They were really fun and tasty. So now I'm going to just kind of let this all meld together, and then I'll show you. I'll put it in a bowl afterwards. Y'all, I have no idea what happened, so here's a picture of how it looked. It was very, very yummy. Hey, so something I learned, when you cook in one pot, one pan, and if you wash it, by the time if you wash just your one pan, your food's ready to eat. Okay, bye. Hey, and here's my calories and macros for the day. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.